quick lime ball press does not form. The reasons are: first, the ingredients are not scientific, is to pour lime in the blender, stir evenly through the conveyor belt to crush. The operation of this batching process is greatly affected by human factors. 2 is because the lime ball press gap is large, with powder ability. In order to improve the working hours of lime ball press and the output of lime ball, the staff often ignore the quality of raw ball and use to increase the gap between the wheel of lime ball press machine, so that the lime ball bigger. The strength of lime pellets is reduced. In addition, there may be a waste of lime, because the speed lime ball press roller distance is too large, so that the strength of the ball egg is insufficient. Once broken, it is possible to cause the waste of lime.